In this video, let us solve for s given 2 raised to power s raised to power 3 plus 4 raised to power x is equal to 64. We have the given equation 2 raised to power 2s raised to power 3 plus 4x is equal to 64. 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. And this is 2 raised to power 2x raised to power 3 plus 4x is equal to 2 raised to power 6. Now they have the same base 2. We consider the exponents. This is 2x raised to power 3 plus 4x is equal to 6. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 2. 2x raised to power 3 divided by 2 plus 4x divided by 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. S raised to power 3 plus 2s is equal to 3. Then s raised to power 3 plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is a polynomial of degree 3. Now let's test if s is equal to 1, 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 bracket 1 minus 3 must be equal to 0. Let's see. 1 raised to power 3, this is 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2, minus 3, is it equal to 0? 1 plus 2, this is 3, minus 3, this is 0, is equal to 0. Therefore, s minus 1 is a factor, and s equal to 1 is a root. One of the root of the equation is s equal to 1. Now let us look for other root. So we need to divide this polynomial by x minus 1, which is a factor, using long division method. X raised to power 3 plus 2x minus 3. Let's divide it by x minus 1. X in x raised to power 3, this is x square. X square multiplied by x raised to power 3. Then x square multiplied by minus 1, this is minus x square. Now, if you multiply this by minus 1, then this cancel this. Here we have x square plus 2x. Now, x goes in x square. This is plus x times s, x square, x times minus 1. This is minus x. Now, if you multiply this by minus, here we have this, we cancel this. And this is minus times minus, that is plus x. We have s plus 2s, 3x. Then bring this down, minus 3. Now, s goes in 3x. This is plus 3. S 3 times s, this is 3x. And 3 times minus 1, this is minus 3. So if you multiply this by minus here, this is 0 and this is 0. So therefore, s raised to power 3 plus 2s minus 3 is equal to s minus 1 bracket s square plus s plus 3. Let us solve this. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 1 is equal to 0, then s is equal to 1, which is the first root. Let's call this s1. And the second case is s square plus s plus 3 is equal to 0. Then let us solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and then C is equal to 3. S is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC all over 2A. And of course, s raised to power 3 plus 2s minus 3 is equal to this. This is equal to 0 here. Then x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 3 all over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3, that is 12 all over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 11 all over 2. This is the same thing as minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 multiplied by 11 all over 2. S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 11 all over 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I, then square root of 11 all over 2. These are other values of x. Therefore, our final answer are x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 1 plus I root 11 over 2, and then s3 is equal to minus 1 minus I square root of 11 all over 2. You can see that here we have one real root and then two complex roots. Let us check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong using these real roots. To check, we have the given equation 2 raised to power 2s raised to power 3 plus 4s is equal to 64. If x is equal to 1, this is 2 raised to power 2 bracket 1 raised to power 3 plus 4 bracket 1 must be equal to 64. Then this is 2 raised to power 2 bracket 1 raised to power 3. This is 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4, must be equal to 64. Now this is 2 raised to power 2 times 1, 2 plus 4, that is 6, must be equal to 64. And of course, 2 raised to power 6, this is 64, is equal to 64, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.